welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mini-O-Grabox from COD, and this is for the February month. So let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is only 299 rupees, which is very affordable. And yes, I always like this box. So yes, I'm looking forward for this one. Let's see what all is there. First thing is this. This is the info sheet, you can say, and it says February Mini-O-Grabox. On the other side, we have the list of all the products. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by S.F.R, and all the products are here in this red bag, cloth bag. So first one is by S.F.R, and it's a eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks. Let me just open it and show you. So you have options, like you have different colors in that. You can personalize it. You just have to give your order number. And I've got this one. So let's just see. It's very pretty. These two are extremely pretty. You can just see the shimmer is crazy. It's really pretty. So yes, I love it, and it's very compact. So good palette. I love it. The price for this one is 350 rupees. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by YANSE, and this one is Magic Beauty Rods. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is 450 rupees, and in this, I was really looking forward for this one. And in this, let me open it. Okay. In this, I have one concealer and one contour stick. So this one is the concealer. Just have to open it and you can roll it on. And then this is the contour stick. So these are the two, and of course you can remove it and you can make a stick like this. So yeah, quite interesting product. I'm definitely going to try these. 450 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Erhaha 21. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay. So this is a cleansing scrub gel, and I have this aloe vera. In this also they have different options. So the price for this one is 250, and this is a scrubbing gel. This is for your face and for your body. So yes, looks nice. The packing is quite interesting, and in fact the inner tube is again very interesting. So very colorful, very cute, bubbly kind of a tube. So yes, I like it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. For earrings also you have three different options. One is this. This is still oxidized silver. The other one is design is same and the color is different. That one is gold. And third is different. Obviously the design is different. So you have three different styles. And of course you can personalize. You just have to give your order number. Let me just wear one and show you the look. The price for this one is 150 rupees. And let me show you. This is how it looks. Pretty. I can wear the other one also. Now let's move on to the next one. But before all that, let me wear this. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Dear She Charcoal Bubble Mask. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's a carbonated clay mask cleansing and oil control, and it's a bubble mask. The price for this one is 50 rupees, and I'm definitely going to try it because nowadays bubble masks are quite in. So yes, I'm going to use it. And then it's charcoal. So yes, it is going to clear my face. So yeah, I'm going to try this one. Now that's all what I have received in my Mini-O-Grabox for February month. The total worth of all the product is 1200 plus, or actually you can say 1250, which is great because you are just paying 299 rupees. So yes, I like it, and I will be mentioning the link in the description box. And if you ask me, for me the star product is definitely this, because in this they have different options, and I've got this one. It's really pretty. The shimmer is crazy. So yes, very happy with this one. Of course, the star product in the box for me. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.